Welcome back, office executives. In this particular problem set scenario, I'll be guiding you on how to select a range of cells. So suppose my data is having there are 100 records in my data, and the data is ranging for four columns. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So up to D. So now if I want to select up to 100, what I need to do is that I need to move my cursor. Then whenever I am reaching to the 100th record, I've not reached 100 record, here it is 100. Then on the D cell I will be clicking Control Shift and then click. Sorry, my bad. Shift click. Let's try it one more time. A1. After that we will be going to the 100th location, and then Shift and then click. So in this way you can just select this range of cell, but there is a shortcut method. In this way, scrolling downward, it might happen that when the selection is over the first cell, whilst going to the downward section for the selection, there might be another click in this way. The click might happen unintentionally, and then the selection won't work as intended. So what we will be doing is that whenever we know that how many records we are having, we will be clicking on the first cell. After that, in the address box we will be writing D 120 maybe, and instead of hitting enter we will be pressing shift enter. So after 120 the whole of the record has been selected. Now we might apply some border to it, all border. We might apply some background color to it, uh, in this way. And then from the view section we can just uncheck the grid line, so the data which we will be entering will be within this range of cell. So that's a short tip and tricks over how to select a range of cell. Thank you all guys, and happy coding.